text mo at para bang kaibigan na paniwala ka.
The same since the day you've gone away. Now the day goes by, you don't cross my mind. I didn't know.
Bayarin yata yan.
Hindi, alam mo ka kung ano yan. Ano yan? Lote yan, kuya. Bumili si ate ng lote. Ito yung lote mo. Ito lote, Sa Malacanang Sur. Ito yung pasulatan niya na kumuha siya ng ganyan. Sabi niya dito, don't worry, ginawan ko yan ng paraan na mapatayuan ng bahay. Huwag lang tayong mawala ng pag-asa. In God's will. Paano? I love you. Miss ko na kayo ng mga anak. See you soon. Ay, lumalas ka ni Mane. Bigyan mo malaki. Message mo daw.
Salamat na ako ko. Kahit na may
Ay, yan.
hindi mo kami masalimutan. Salamat Noy, salamat ng marami. Kahit ang asawa may maglalasay, hindi mo ako malimutan. Maraming
baka mata mo lang din. Andahan. Happy anniversary. Wish mo na, wish. Sana magmaong to.
I love you. Happy anniversary. Happy birthday.
Laki din mo rin para sa ating sabi.
I wish the heaven had visiting hours, so I could just show up and bring the news that she's getting older. And I wish that you met her. The things that you learned from me, I got them all from you. Can I just stay a while and we'll put all the world to rights? The little ones will grow and I'll still drink your favorite wine. And soon they're going to close, but I'll see you another day. So much has changed since you've been away. I wish that heaven had visiting hours, so I could just swing by and ask your advice. What would you do in my situation? I haven't a clue how I'd even raise them. What would you do? 'Cause you always do what's right. And we just talk a while until my worries disappear. I'll tell you that I'm scared of turning out a failure. This is in the love that we create. So much has changed since you've been away. visit heaven, like visiting ours. And I would ask them if I could take you home, but I know what they'd say, that it's for the best. So I will live life the way you taught me and make it on my own. I will close the door, but I will open up my heart, and everyone I love will know exactly who you are. 'Cause this is not goodbye, it is just till we meet again. So much has changed since you've been away. I never thought I'd see the day that I wouldn't see your face. Looking back, God, I wish I'd known that I'd love you, then have to let go. 'Cause you brought out the best in me. You always saw a light no one else could see. Now I know that you're gone, but I promise I won't forget. So thank you for all the memories, 'cause you'll never know what it meant to me. 'Cause you were the one.
Bibigyan mo ng importansya ang pag-aaral mo. Sana ipagpatuloy mo at isipin mo ang kaalagaan na ginagastos ng magulang. Maraming salamat at happy birthday. I love you.
I wish that I could call you out, just to hear your voice, that would be enough. And we laugh like we're back at the start, and pretend we're not falling apart. And sometimes we would hurt each other, but you saved me from going under. We didn't last forever, but I won't forget you. So thank you for all the memories, 'cause you'll never know what it meant to me. You were the one who gave me peace when I had none left, held me close at my loneliest. Thanks for the memories, here's to the memories. 'Cause I miss you more than you know, than you know. 'Cause I miss you more than you know. So thank you for all the memories, 'cause you'll never know what it meant to me. 'Cause you were the one who gave me peace when I had none left, held me close at my loneliest. Thanks for the memories, here's to the memories. I took the supermarket flyers from the windowsill, I threw the day old tea from the cup, packed up the photo album Matthew had made, memories of a life that's been loved. Took the get well soon cars and stuffed animals, pulled the old ginger beer down the sink. Dad always told me, don't you cry when you're down, but Mum, there's a tear every time I blink. Oh, I'm in pieces, it's tearing me up, but I know a heart that's broke is a heart that's been loved. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go, and when God takes you back, He'll say hallelujah, you're home.
Ng among banal na mabuhay kay Herman, ang manaling na tunay. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Ang mabuting balita ng Panginoon ayon kay San Juan.
Papuri sa iyo, Panginoon.
Kung palang yun, sinabi ni Jesus sa mga tao, lalapit sa akin ang lahat ng binigay sa akin ng Ama, at ng hindi ko itataboy ang sinumang lumapit sa akin, sapagkat ako'y bumaba mula sa langit, hindi upang gawin ang kalooban ko, kundi ang kalooban na nagsugo sa akin. At ito ang kanyang kalooban, huwag kong pabayaang mawala kahit isa sa mga ibigay niya sa akin, kundi ang muling buhayin sila sa huling araw. Sapagkat ito ang kalooban ng aking Ama, ang lahat ng makakita at manamit sa anak ay magkaroon ng buhay na walang hanggan, at sila ay muling bumubuhay sa huling araw. Ang mabuting balita ng
Pinupuri ka namin, Panginoon Jesus.
mga kapatid, alila't manalangin ang buong pananalig sa amang makapangyarihan. Biningan niyang muli ang anak niya si Kristo upang ang pagkabuhay ng lahat ng tao. Nung binyagaan ang aming kapatid na si Rudy, sa kanya inunda ang binhi ng buhay na walang hanggan. Nawa ay umaling ito ng pagkabuhay sa piling ng mga banal sa kalangitan. Dalangin natin siya sa buong may kapal. Mga makapangyarihan kami iyong hawa.
Amang makapangyarihan kami iyong kawa. Ang lahat ng namatay na, umaasang muling mabubuhay at malugod nawang tanggapin ng Diyos sa piling niya sa kalangitan. Idalangin natin sila sa buong may kapal.
Amang makapangyarihan kami iyong kawa.
Ang lahat ng ating mga kapatid na naririto, ang mga nagdadalamhati at nalulumbay, at ang lahat ng sa kanila'y nakikiramay, ay magkasama-sama nawa sa langit ng tahanan. Idalangin natin sila sa buong may kapal.
Amang makapangyarihan kami iyong kawa.
Naway gantimpalaan ng Panginoon ang ating mga yumaong kapatid, kamag-anak at pinagkakautangan ng loob. Idalangin natin sila sa buong may kapal.
Amang makapangyarihan
Maliit man o takip. Ako'y kanyang iniligtas sa mundo ng kamatayan, inutos sa pagtatalo at buha paging pinahiram. Sa harap ng Panginoon, doon ako mananahan. Doon ako mananahan sa daigdig nitong laging buhay ang pag-asa, patuloy ang pananalig. Bagamat ang aking sabi, ako'y ganap ng mabuti. Bagamat ako'y tapos, nasasabi ko kung minsan wala kahit isang tao na dapat pagkawalaan. Masakit ang kalooban ng mahabaging ama kung may papanaw. Kahit ito'y iisa,